my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I filmed. As you guys know, I am pregnant, so it's been kind of rough for me. My allergies has been acting up, and you guys know that when you're pregnant you really can't take much of medicine while you're pregnant, so it's been tough for me. But I am back and I'm ready to film. I am gonna do a life update. Get ready with me. I am gonna be trying out some new products with you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, love, so we're gonna start off with foundation. I already primed my face, I did my eyebrows, so all of that is ready. So we're gonna jump into the foundation, and today I'm gonna be using the Juvias foundation, and I have mine in the shade 530. This is the second time I'm trying out this foundation, and I have to say that I like it, but I'm not sure. Like I'm gonna give it another chance, because the first time I tried it I was like, I don't know, it was a big old like question mark. But I'm gonna give it another try and see if I like it. It is very thick, so it's not like a liquidy foundation. Oh, and believe me, you do not need a lot of foundation from this, because this is so full coverage. Like you just need like a dot and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my sponge. It's kind of dirty from the powder, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the face. But this foundation is so full coverage, guys. This is like ridiculous. Like look at the coverage on this. Like right now it doesn't look like my color, but once you blend it in and apply the other products, like it looks good. So don't be scared, like this is gonna be okay. Like all the foundations for some reason that I've heard is like yellow tone for some reason, but once I blend it out and I put all my other products on, like it looks good. So I'm not worried about the color. It blends out very nice, I do have to say that. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. But everything's gonna blend out very good. And when I tried the foundation for the first time, I was so scared, because I was like, oh my god, this is gonna make me look like a ghost. But once it settles into the skin, the color for some reason changes, so then it starts looking like more your skin color. So I definitely recommend that. Sorry about the noise outside. I'm currently in Chicago, so that's an update. I'm currently in Chicago right now. Okay, those people are loud outside. I'm currently in Chicago. I should be going to Florida in the next week or so. Crazy. So let me finish my foundation and then I'll come back and talk, so these people can work on whatever they're working on outside, because they're driving me crazy. So let's go ahead and put this on speed so you guys can not hear that noise outside. Okay, love, so I am done with the foundation. I blended it all into the skin, and you guys can see, like, you see how the color like definitely changed since I first applied it. It definitely like changed color. Like it's like settling into my skin, so it changes color, but everything is good. I definitely love the coverage of the foundation. Like I am gonna, if I'm gonna do like a full beat face, like I'm gonna do full coverage. But if I'm gonna do, they're so annoying. So if I'm gonna do something very light, I definitely like coverage and stuff like that. But this foundation is very good with the coverage. Covered up the pimple, well, the little pimple that I have. But other than that, I love the foundation. It's very, very good. So let's go ahead and jump into the eyes. I have some concealer on this brush right here, and I'm just going to blend it into my eyes right now. So yeah, so I'm currently in Chicago. I should be going back to Florida soon. I've been out here for a while. I did my gender reveal. I think that video should be up before this video, so if you guys saw it, yes, it's exciting. It was just so much fun, and yeah, I'm like so excited. But it's been a roller coaster. Like, I'm not in the first trimester anymore, I'm in my second, but when my allergies come, they come, and they come rough, guys. They come rough. Like, my allergies hit me really bad, and that's what been stopping me from filming, because I don't feel good. Like, I'm sneezing all the time, I'm all stuffed up and stuff like that, so it's like hard for me to film. But yeah, now I'm back, I feel better, and I'm gonna film. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This is a palette that I just bought, and I love it. Like, I've been trying it out lately, and I've been loving it, guys. It's so beautiful. All the shades are very pigmented. Everything blends out beautiful, so I absolutely recommend it. It was on sale at Ulta. I don't know if they still have it on sale. They had it for $29, and this palette is like $50, so I took advantage and picked it up, and I'm loving it, guys. Like, I'm loving this palette. It's so beautiful. I know my sister had told me that this palette was really good, but I was like, nah, I don't want to spend the $50 on this palette. But $30, don't get me wrong, I went and bought it. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the shade called Still Shot, and it's like a beautiful pinky shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this all over the eye. I'm just gonna do a very simple eye look. I'm not gonna do anything dramatic because I'm not going anywhere really, so I'm not gonna do anything like super duper dramatic, but I just wanted to put something on the eyes, and yeah, and give you guys my little life update, everything that's been going on. It's been rough, guys. It's been rough. It's not even like the morning sickness or anything, it's just allergies and stuff that's been bothering me, but I've been feeling so better. You know, I get my headaches like here and there, but besides the headaches, like, I could deal with that. Like, I just get some rest and I'm good. So that's what I do. I try to rest it up as much as possible, just because those headaches are so like strong, and I don't want to take any medication. I know you can take Tylenol, but I don't want to take anything, absolutely nothing. So that's my choice. But yeah, that's just, it's been tough. It's been tough, and I'm happy that I feel better and that I can go back to filming again, because I'm telling you guys, I had a sinus cold, I had allergies, like, I had all of it, and it was just so annoying that I was like, I couldn't pick up my camera and film because I was just feeling so bad, under the weather, not good at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this glitter that I picked up the other day, and this is from Pixie, and this is their glitter eye quad. It looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has all these beautiful shades, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and use one of these today with you guys, because I'm telling you guys, I miss filming, I miss doing videos. Like, I think my next video is gonna be like a fashion haul, a pregnancy fashion haul, because I bought so many cute stuff for my pregnancy now, just because, you know, guys, like, I want to be comfortable, and my comfortable is leggings, dresses, like anything loose. Like, I'm all there for it. Like, I'm loving it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use, I think I'm gonna use this shade right here. I don't think it has a name, but I'm gonna take it with my hands, and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid, just to give me some shimmer shimmer. This is so pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyes. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is so pretty. I definitely feel like if you apply it with the finger, it's so much better. So I definitely recommend that. So I'm gonna go ahead back into the little pinky shade and just blend the edges out. So now that we're done with the eyes for now, I'm going to jump into concealer. I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer, and I'm in the shade Natural Beige. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this under the eyes and blend it out with my sponge. So yeah guys, like that has been my journey so far, and then I will be going back to Florida soon. I have some appointments, I have things that I have to do over there, so I have to go back. But I definitely love spending time with my family, just because they do live in Chicago and I live in Florida, so I don't get to see them as often as I can. But I usually take advantage in the summertime, since the baby is on summer break, you know. It's easier for me to travel and I don't have to worry about, you know, school and all that stuff, so makes it easier for me. But yeah, that's been my thing. Like, I've just been sick guys, it's just been so hard, and I'm really trying to film as much as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Fenty Beauty powder. Mine's in the shade Banana. Absolutely love this powder, it's so good. It leaves your face so like flawless. Like, I love the finish of it, just leaves it so pretty, and that's the reason why I love using this powder. Now it does have a scent in it, but the scent really doesn't bother me. I'm like, whatever, like it just fades away so fast. Like, you don't even get a chance to smell it that much because it just goes away so fast. But other than that, I love it. So yeah, so I am gonna get back into my routine of filming again and posting pictures on Facebook, Instagram, because, you know, I've been kind of slacking on the Instagram and all that stuff that I used to do a lot. Now I'm very slow at it because it's just so hard to film and post pictures, and oh my god, it's just so hard. I didn't know it was gonna be so hard, but it has been for me. So, but thank God I am feeling much better. Oh my god, these people outside are driving me crazy. Okay, so I think with the noise in the background, it's gonna be impossible for me to keep talking, so I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward it, and then at the end I will close out the video and talk to you guys a little bit more. This is the finished completed look. Let me know down below what you guys think. I loved all the products. I'm still gonna give this a try. I'm not sure if I love it yet, but I will let you guys know in a new, like, updated monthly favorites. I'll let you guys know if I like it. I'm gonna keep trying it and let you guys know how I feel about it. But I love the glitter. I love the Born to Run palette. Like, absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. And yeah, this is the finished one. And then I did for my lips is the ColourPop and Disney collaboration in Jasmine. I love this pink bright color. It's very summery, so I absolutely love it. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I love to be back in front of the camera and showing you guys. They are so annoying outside. They are so annoying out there. Oh, driving me crazy. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves.